So sometimes this is referred to as production structure analysis, but it's all about determining the optimal manufacturing footprint configuration by completing a structured analysis of the trade-offs between capability, capacity and costs. So the study starts by collecting data on customer requirements, production capacities, capabilities, supporting infrastructure, logistical flows and projected demand to develop, an as-is case.
When we look at a footprint in terms of operations, we basically go on site and look at your business, your operations. We meet your team, we meet your main stakeholders, decision makers, of course. And we look at process, utilities, water, wastewater, logistics, and so on. Basically, the point is that we want to understand what you are capable of in terms of people, in terms of production, in terms of utilities, consumption, and so on.
The first thing we then look at is the potential actions and improvements that could be implemented before putting in future investments. And that creates what's known as, an optimised as-is base case. And then you can compare any investment scenarios against that. So what is a greater as-is that could be achieved without significant investment? We then look at the investment opportunities and look about further optimising the footprint, again with scenario and sensitivity analysis to again shortlist those potential future state options.